This soup here is called palm nut soup, as we call it in Ghana. Over in Abidjan, they call it sauce grain, and they have a unique way they prepare this amazing recipe. Hello brothers, sisters. So I'm still in Abidjan, Ivory Coast, and today's recipe is one true indigenous food we have over here in Abidjan, West Africa. Man, we have a lot of similarities among our food, among West Africa or in West Africa, and this is one of them. Okay, so about time showcase our African food to ourselves as Africans and to the world. So I'll take you through the process for you guys to have an idea how Ivorians prepare their palm nut soup called sauce grain. So if this is the first time watching, can you share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother, who will Sindaco or Kodo. Yeah, man, they have big, huge fish over here in Abidjan. Is it the way?
Either one for 5,000.
3 and one. One is 5,000. This is 100 and something Ghana cedis.
3,000, 5,000.
Yeah, this is African giant snail over here. What is this nine?
It was 5,000.
4 no 5,000.
2,000. Si ça là, et chose. Donc on me donner un tas.
Amazing. So there's some giant African snakes over here, and this is 5,000 sifa, which is 100 and something, and that one is 2,000. Oh, 2,000 sifa. So when you buy, they take them out for you. Okay. The rooms no use here. Rooms no come on. I'm a body todo.
Before that,
Rooms blue. I'm a stay todo. What is it, baby? What is it, baby? You know, it's here and I will do. So that's how she does in the metal rod. It used to be that. Oh, nice. So
donner son identité. Donc, c'est madame. Ça fait 3 ans maintenant que les
Man, the palm fruits over here looks huge. They're so big. Man, look at this one over there. It's really big. So the chains over the 10 chains over here is 500 sifa. It looks so big. Arokodo. So over here, the sauce grain, which is palm nut soup, they eat with rice. Okay, so we're cooking the rice. This is the rice, and a bit of oil has been added to the pot to cook rice. So we're starting our palm oil soup in Abidjan. Here we have our boiled palm nut fruit. Okay, this is what we use for the palm oil, palm sauce grain. Okay, palm nut fruit. So this is our mortar. Okay, this is our mortar that we'll be using to pound the sauce grain or the palm nut fruit. Okay, so it goes inside like that. And I have here Madame Mariette. Okay, so she's the lady that prepared prakele the other day, and it was a vibe. Okay, if you've not seen that video, check it out. So Madame Mariette, and today she's preparing sauce grain. Okay. So we pound just like Ghana. Okay, but the difference is that the seeds over here or the fruits over here are huge. Like they are huge. Okay. Wow. So it goes in like that. You pound everything together. So a bit of oil has been added, and then we have salt and onion inside. Okay, so this is what we'll be using to enjoy the palm nut fruit with it. So after pounding, we have something like this, and it goes inside our bowl. So we're gonna, just like how we do in Ghana, if you know how palm nut soup or banga soup is done. Okay, so we're gonna extract the water from it. Man, it looks so rich over here. It looks rich over here. Like the oil coming out from it, it has that kind of shiny color or shiny look. Okay, so water is being added. Wow, so we mash it like that. Okay, so make sure you squeeze like this to get the food out from the palm fruits. No, ingredient. So our first squeeze, and the chaff goes back to the pot again, just like we do in Ghana. Okay. So after pounding for the second time, we have something like this. Okay, so this is the first sieve. Okay, and we're using hot water to sieve it. So a bit of hot water, a bit of cold water. What's your over? So receiving the second pound into the first one. Okay. So this is how you sieve it. Okay. So making sure that all the chaff are kept inside the sieve. Okay. So we have our fish. Cutlet, that's meat. The meat goes inside the basement of the soup. That's the meat. Okay, beef. So all the meat goes inside first. Okay, that's the basement of this preparation of this. And we have fish and snails also inside. Estrago. Yeah, estrago. Okay, that's the snail. Adowa, salted meat, fish. Cow, moon.
No, c'est
Prakunche. Okay, that's okay, pork feet. Prakunche.
Bon.
Very amazing. A cable, yeah. So that leaves thing, that gives aroma. Prekese. Okay, adding fruit goes in. Amazing. A bit of onion to steam it. Amazing. So a bit of water to steam it. Okay, then. Okay. So after boiling the oil, water with oil, the water was kept for like 5-10 minutes to boil like this with the oil, and now the rice goes in. Okay, so oil, onion, salt, and it was boiled for enough, like 10 minutes. Okay, before this goes inside. Amazing. So this is the way they boil their rice with oil, or rice brews over here. So we stir everything together like that. Okay, so this is what the rice that we go with the palm nut soup, sauce grain. So after 10 minutes of boiling or steaming the meats and everything, we're now about to add in our sieved palm nut soup, okay, or liquid. Okay. So the sieve plays on top, then the second time of seasoning, it goes in like that. Okay. It goes in like that. So it's being sieved for the second time because of the chaff. Okay. Yeah. Wow.
And then I'm proper.
So we now add in our tomatoes, onion, and pepper goes in. Okay, so in Ghana we add tomatoes and onions to the steamed fish, but over here it's vice versa. Okay, you add in the liquid from the palm fruits before the tomatoes and oil comes inside. So this is a unique way of preparing palm nut soup, sauce grain in Abidjan, and man, I'm loving the whole atmosphere, the whole steps and how it's done. Okay, you see the quantity of meat that goes inside, but it depends on how much you want to spend on your cooking. Okay, so the enough money that you have, that will determine how much meat or fish that will go inside the soup. And this is a pot full of gold. Yeah. A pot full of gold. So we have our boiling soup over here, as you can see, man. The bubbles and everything is so unique and amazing. Like, you see the colors on top of the soup. Interesting. Okay, so this is the palm nut soup from Ivory Coast, Abidjan. So we are taking out our pepper, onion, and tomatoes to blend it. Okay. Okay, so after all the soups they prepare over here, they add this to it. Okay, some grill it, others no. So this is raw, it goes inside and it gives a flavor and aroma to the soup. So our blended tomatoes and everything goes in. The pepper, the onion, it goes in like that. So one seasoning goes in. So salt goes in like that. Then we stir everything together. So this is thick because over here they eat this with the rice, prakele. The fufu they have over here, they don't eat with palm nut soup. They make a different sauce with it. Okay, so this is our soup. We're now in our fish, the catfish. It goes in like that. So we garnish it with onion, chopped onion. That's the last thing to go inside. Okay. So our soup is ready. Okay, and we're about to serve. Okay, so a bit of everything, fish, meat, it goes in like that. So we have our soup ready. Okay, so snails, catfish, pork meat, and yeah, cotelettes. Okay, and this is rice. So this is how they eat it, or this is how they serve it. Okay, so amazingly amazing. Hello, brothers, sisters. Yeah, so man, we're done with our rice and soup. Okay, so this is how they eat it. You take some of the soup and goes on top of the rice, halfway like that. And it's hot. The plate is hot. It goes on top like that. Okay, so let's take a bite to have a taste of how this Ivorian sauce grain is done, or is prepared, or how it tastes like. Sauce grain. Wow. Wow. Man, it's nice. The rice was nicely done because of what do you call it? The oil that was added and the onion that was stir fried, and the palm nut soup too is amazing. Banga soup. It's thick. It's not that light. Okay, as you can see, it's thick. So amazing, man. This is so delicious. Wow. It's not that much spicy. It's limit is mild. Wow. So over here, the whole soup doesn't go on top of the rice. You portion it, and with spoon, you do back and forth with it. Amazing. So this is some of the snail. One of the nice protein that we have, snail. Okay. This is so delicious. So we take it like this. Then it goes on top of the rice. Okay. Man, the palm nut soup, sauce grain is amazing. It has that aromatic flavor, and man, you can't resist eating this food. You cannot resist. Okay, so this is the snail. Okay, one of the healthy protein that we have. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the video. If this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Cooking with Sindaco, man. Amazing recipes from Ivory Coast, Cote d'Ivoire, Abidjan, and man, it is what it is. It's so delicious, Ankasa. It's really nice. Let's meet again for Shizzle Manizo. Welcome, I'm out.